What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. I am still completely exhausted from the whole like SEMA crunch build thing that happened like right there. If you haven't seen that video, obviously check it out. I just want to say thank you guys for all the likes. That is probably my most liked video, and I'm not saying like oh liked, but no, like physically liked. There's over 4,000 likes or something on that, 500 comments. I love the interaction with you. I try and like get in there and like respond or like or something to all the comments, but sometimes it just gets all crazy out of hand. But I do read them all because they all do pop up. But I just want to say thank you guys for the support on that, and we're almost at 100,000 subscribers if you guys haven't noticed already, so that's freaking awesome. But it is Tuesday, the actual day I'll be uploading this, so it's the same day, and I leave for Las Vegas in 2 days, so that's Thursday. A lot of you guys wanted to see the 10 days in Vegas. They're like, oh, but take your, like you deserve it, take your time being there, stuff like that. But my thing is, I know how I feel being at the show, and how lucky I was to attend last year, and now being able to have a truck there. It's such an awesome show. I want to bring all you guys along. For the people who could go that can't now, or just can't go, or aren't able to attend, things like that. So I want to bring you guys along, just like the whole Vegas experience. I've got just as soon as I land, I've got so much stuff to do and take care of that you guys are definitely going to enjoy all of it. So definitely going to be taking you guys along. Bear with me on the videos. I'm going to try, whether I'm going to film all 10 days, whether they go up 10 days in a row or there's a break in between or whatever, you guys will see all 10 days that I'm there. That is for sure. So if you're excited for that, let me know in the comments below. Shoot this video a thumbs up, because I am super stoked for that. Oh, guys, literally, the whole like staying up so late really taking a toll on a lot of things. Like, haven't been able to go to the store and get like food and stuff, so literally picked up bagels, about to hit the Starbucks again, get coffee. It's just been wild. Also had to get the Starbucks because just like lack of supplies and stuff at home, man. To be honest, it's a lot easier, and I'm kind of lazy, especially with 2 days till Vegas. There's no time to just like go to the store and load the fridge and stuff, so been crazy. See, guys, literally the aftermath of SEMA, building a truck at home. We have all these boxes and a mess in that room. I still gotta clean that up today. That was like 2 days ago. I am just beyond exhausted, way too exhausted to even touch that for the last couple of days. So I'm gonna pull myself together and take care of that in a little bit. But we got a package here. Well, we got two. Now this is stuff that I ordered to make our SEMA experience so much better. I'm always looking for ways to make content better, improve the channel, but these here will just help me out in Vegas, filming every day like you guys want. We have the Joby Gorilla Pod, the 5K kit. Boom. Attachments for the camera I'm filming on, lens thing and other stuff. And in here we have a bunch of, is what I really wanted, macro lenses, filters. Here's a polarizer, stuff like that. On top of the room, we got my tools everywhere still. Bumper brackets, literally just stuff everywhere. Tools, sockets missing, stuff out. Yeah, it's literally, it's a mess. But yeah, this is my old one. But as you can see, here is the 5K tripod, and here's the 3K. This one was a little more flimsy, a little smaller. This one's got more beef and it's a little more stout, so it'll just help us make better content, and like I can actually set the tripod up without falling over. So I was literally filling this up at the gas station the other day. This thing is fun. I filled this thing up at the gas station the other day, and I was looking at my rear tires, and they are at the they're at like the tread wear mark. That's pretty much says replace your tires. Definitely too many burnouts, and too many burnouts not recorded on camera, so I need to get better about that. That's for sure. I know a lot of you are like excited to see what you do with the Hellcat. I have something quite crazy planned for this car. Just kind of working on seeing what I can do to get these special parts that I need to accomplish what I want to do. So trust me, I got something special planned for this. It's gonna make this car one of a kind as well, just like my truck. Just stay tuned. This car is gonna be nuts. If everything goes as planned and I can get the parts I need to do what I want to do, this car will be nuts, one of a kind, and just freaking awesome. Guys, we made a friend. There's a red Challenger Hellcat behind us. That's awesome. Oh shoot, guys, gang, look at that. Oh my gosh, the other Hellcat had the same idea as me. That's hilarious. Okay, here we go. I usually like wash my own car, so this is new. The only reason why I'm doing this is because I really don't have time to sit there and get everything going. In the meantime, I'm gonna use this time to talk to you about, yes, I am buying a new truck. Hello, wow, ooh, hello. Oh, this is new to me. Anyway, like a child here, back in a car wash for the first time. Yes, I'm buying a new truck. It's the hardest thing ever, as much as you guys could think, because obviously you guys know me. Most brands, they don't make a lime green every year. So I'm also trying to find a different or wicked color to build something with. Just to be different and, you know, show that you can start with something that's completely like either hideous or ugly or just different and turning into something awesome. So it is hard. I'm trying my best. We will find something. If not, I should be able to find something green, but I know kind of what I want to buy. I know exactly what I want to buy, and you guys are going to enjoy it. I've been texting like Bertrand 850, stuff like that. He's completely down with what I want to do too. But it's an awesome build opportunity, and I feel like you guys are definitely going to love it, and it's definitely a change on this channel. I can tell you that. Definitely a change, but you guys are going to love it. And then after winter, or towards the end of winter, I definitely have some other special stuff coming as well. Just stuff that I actually need to buy just because. So I got a lot lined up for this channel, and I just want to show you guys that pretty much anything's possible. Just like the SEMA truck, I'm going to show you guys that anything and everything is in fact possible. Bye-bye. But yeah, I'm going to show you guys that you can change anything into something awesome. So I am so excited. I hope, usually these things turn out like horribly, like the paint will be washed but my wheels just won't be. So let's see how this actually turns out. I never have any faith in these, but at least get me one step closer to having a semi-clean car. All right, looks like we are all done here. I hope this thing did a good job for $16. The other Hellcat just finished too. Look at him. Peeled out of here. What a guy. So I'm not gonna lie, the wash didn't do that half bad of a job. Obviously you can see brake dust is very prominent on these wheels, but it did clean up the calipers decently well. The car, it's still quite filthy, / I may have hit stuff on the way home. Nope, nope. Yeah, the car's just still dirty. I mean, it's definitely better than it was, and I'm definitely touching it with dirty hands, but oh, like the whole kicker here is still dirty. Got dirty water spots all up in here. Trunk is still dirty. Dirty water up here, don't know how that's there. However, it did do a decent job of cleaning that up. However, now if I really want to wash this tomorrow, get it all cleaned up so I can, you know, park it for the 10 days or whatever I'm in Vegas, it'll be an easy wash. But the car does look darn good clean like that. Ooh, okay. This room is so like, there's just so many little things. Like I spilled all my stuff and other, like all the light bar covers. They're just like the little things where you're like, I don't even want to start, but we're gonna knock this out real quick. Oh, and as you guys can see, the office over here is not much better. I got my box for the vinyl cutter. Got vinyl everywhere. Oh, it's just a mess. But you guys saw we were in a hurry and a rush to get it done. And we're up all night, so we're tired, so we didn't want to like clean it all up then. But whew, we're almost there. "10 days in Vegas is just gonna feel awesome." Alright guys, just went and picked up my suitcase so I can start packing tonight actually. We got lots and lots and lots to do between now and tomorrow. As you can see, here's my stack of boxes and it's like not even everything. I still got to put all my stock parts and stuff away tomorrow. Get all my tools out and stuff like that. Just get this cleaned up. But guys, I want to just apologize for the shorter video today, obviously compared to the last one that was 30 minutes. Pretty much a lot and a lot of prep work for SEMA. We're getting all packed up. Like I said, just got my suitcase so I can get packed up and be ready tomorrow because we will be leaving Thursday morning at 5 o'clock is our flight. Katie and I will be headed out there. We're gonna pick up the truck and I will be taking you guys along all 10 or 11 days. I forget how long I'll be out there. I'm gonna try my best to film, edit, upload. Obviously everything will be 1 day behind. And I'll be on West Coast time now instead of East Coast time, so it's gonna really mess me up. But I'll try my best to get everything filmed, edited, uploaded, give you guys the daily content of everything in Las Vegas, SEMA, everything we do. If there's any vendor events or stuff, definitely be headed out to Top Golf. It's just an awesome experience out there, but I'm going to take you guys through it all because I know there's a lot of you who want to go and there's a lot of you who aren't able to go this year, so I want to bring you guys along. It's going to be an awesome time, and honestly I'm just ready to just be done with the messes, be done with the tool messes, and just get there, sit back, relax, and just like take it all in because cannot wait. And then when we come back, obviously, like I said, I'm beyond excited to get a new truck on this channel. It's just, you know, it's stuff you just, you know, when you like working on things, you know, having something new, new to the channel is gonna be awesome. Like I said, Hellcat. Like I said, I got some awesome plans for the Hellcat here. Like I said, I'm trying to locate some parts and see what I can do for this 19 here, but I'm trying to locate some things. And honestly, that'd be a neat build if I could do something wild and take the Hellcat to SEMA next year. That might be wild because if you guys didn't know, SEMA isn't all trucks. It's cars and everything. So that could be a neat build. If I can pull off what I'm doing, I might be able to take that to SEMA next year. But if that would require me to dump some serious horsepower into that thing too. Now you guys got my mind turning. Get excited for the Hellcat build coming between this winter and next spring. That's gonna be wild. If I can pull off what I'm about to do, it's gonna be nuts. Get excited for the new truck and get excited for a week and a half of full SEMA content out there. And sometime in the springtime, Katie's gonna be getting a new truck, so we're gonna be building that too. It never stops, but it's super fun. I want to say thank you guys all for your support. I apologize for the short video today, but like I said, we're just getting ready to just finally get out to Las Vegas and SEMA and just sit there and relax. So yeah guys, I want to say thank you guys all for your support. If you haven't been here before, please get down there, click subscribe. If you enjoyed this video, shoot a thumbs up, and I will see you guys Thursday, and then after that, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and on throughout SEMA. So thank you guys for watching, thank you for your support, and thank you for all that support on the last video, and all the congratulations and everything. It really does mean a lot. So I honestly want to say thank you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video.